everyone, welcome to Making It with Molia. Today I'm showing you guys how I quickly made this cute fall inspired resin dish. Now, I know I've been gone for a while, not really gone, but like off of regular videos. I'm still doing shorts, but right now I'm going through a little tough patch of my life right now, and I was just taking some time off doing longer videos, but I'm still alive, guys. Thank you so much for still being subscribed. I truly appreciate your support. I wish I had the community tab, but once I hit 500 subscribers, I'll be able to tell you guys what's up. But in the meantime, if you want to know what's up, you can check out my Instagram. I am now actually selling my resin creations on Etsy now, only to USA and Canada right now. That's just because I'm starting off small just to see how it works, because I'm new to the small business world, like most of you know, so I just want to test everything out. So I'm hopefully going to start selling to more countries soon, maybe by next year, but for now I'm just going to keep it small just to test it out, because I don't want to overwhelm myself, especially since I'm still working full-time. I just want to have a nice balanced life, but of course trying to focus more on moving towards my small business. But again, I need to make some money to pay my bills and everything like that. Alright, so today I'm using fall inspired colors from Just Resin. I really love this brand. Like, you can really tell quality colors, and you'll see with some close-ups, like, wow, I'm very, very impressed with the colors here. And again, I bought this with my own money. Now I got this cute little, I don't know what it's called. It's for pouring. I see people use it for acrylic pours, but you have 3 slots that you can use different sections. And yeah, I really love this. You'll see how the results look at the end. I'm definitely buying more. And interesting, they actually have options where you can put 2 colors, 3 colors. I believe it goes up to 5 colors, and I believe I ordered that, and I can't wait to receive it. And now I'm just gonna pour it right into the dish just like that. You don't have to do the spiral like I did. I just wanted to see what effect would come out when doing the circular motion. Alright, so here we have it. This was my first time using this mold, so it took me a while to get used to removing the piece from the mold itself. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming out with longer videos next week, and this week I'll be coming out with another short. And if you're interested in my creations and you're in the USA and Canada, check out my Etsy shop. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a good one. Bye.